Hey guys, inken raujo tono fai kaham trewai ha ani video. Inke tini ang share kanai ani first time unboxing in Kaubro from Purplle.com aroni products. Tawon raw no tongkna Purplle product ni packaging system raw. Sa kahama ke packing khiyak. Joto products nong order khemosuk joto no wai ha bai khiye carton box wo all together deliver khiyak. Inke takwa ang bo blade ni help laye bo sil khiyak mono. So first wo malai ha bo product ni slip paper ke bini discounted price riyak mo raw check ke nai mayu. So let's put this aside now. Kita wonok tongkna brown ni products raw no always brow palm paper by ke packing keo so that products raw damage on yamading ke brow deliver ke mai. So here we have the first item bokhebo coupon coding free products riyak mo brand hinke NYB ni bokhe Long Island Deep Intense Kohel eye pencil with water resistant and smart proof. Hinke rawo bini asal price riyak mo ke 90 rupees. Bini weight hinke 2.5 gram. Busko photo silver sign are for covering enough on ya. Hinke jang by ke main part of the pencil. Check kena to. Okay, inke bono ken raw eye makeup continue use kemayo as a eye shadow or as a eyeliner or under the eyelid on raw use kemayo. Okay, free product info bo motamuti chole naiding kemato ang. So this is the first one. Tak next product open kenai matong. So bokhe ke ha face scrub order kemo VLCC Sciences papaya and apricot face scrub. Okay bokhe kingko yabai inke trick ke ha ke apricot fall ni extract khiyak mo scrub face scrub ro for chung chini skincare routine ro include khiyak nai nawo especially after wearing makeup inke ro makeup ke paye inke afu rawon ro bet hakebo face scrub bai ke khangno scrub he exfoliate khenai naw ari okay makeup product chini khangwa clock mayo amba e chung face scrub na for chung chini skincare wo include khenaw inke rawo soyak mo ke sensitive skin ni ba ye raw ni skin jodi se sensitive type inke bo scrub no use khemayo mild exfoliation for daily use. Okay, everyday skincare wo bono use khemayo. So bong ha bini outer packaging ni look ke ro bini packaging wo claim khiyak mo tongo bini ingredients ro kuno paraben kroi bokhe certified ke payok mo ke nro backside wo jot details ro riyak mo abona pore naimayu nro use khaya khosnis kang ro like method of using ke tre bini ingredients ro ma include khiyak aburo pho check khenemi takwo chung nai bini consistency inke texture ro breja. So bini color inke white inke tre haching dingma granules tungu state kheye chung bo granules by ke chini khangni joto kunu da inke msini follicles ro no remove khetinyo help ke bini MRP kebu 180 rupees ang sale price by my ha 113 rupees ke bini quantity ke 80 gram country of origin ke made in India. Chung next open kanai ta so there is two products here. First nai bokhe the mom's ko ni brand bofo ke ha ka ham thak brand no himayo bini quantity ke only 8 ml approx tak ang pore nai. So here it is given that what we put in Okay, both serum of magmada loyak naidi vitamin C rich kakadu plum to improve skin radiance, and next okay hyaluronic acid and chia seed oil to replenish moisture, and then vitamin B3 to improve uneven skin tone and fine lines. Next is chia seed oil, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids to restore moisture. So what we keep out? Raw product work magma avoid kayak abona naidi. Raw avoid kayak harmful chemical is free, paraben is free, SLS free, silicone free, and also mineral oil is not added. Okay, in tao chung no ha bo product chin skin ni bo yem sa ha safe ong chung bo product no chung use kemayo kuno harmful chemical ro kroi okay tre jang ro for 9 mayo. So let's open it now. This is how it looks like. It's very tiny and white in color. Okay, bini consistency kebu milky white, but if you apply it, it's very transparent and it also absorbs easily onto the skin. Okay, boni price ha 249 rupees, or for on discount my ha 174 rupees. Next kebu bo NYB HD Spotless liquid concealer. So that's how the packaging looks like. Robo bini benefits riyak moke camouflages skin irregularities. Second K provides natural looking coverage. Third K long wear and creaseless. Fourth K even skin tone. 5 K lightweight formula, and then blends like a dream. Okay, Robo bini expiry date ke 2021 to 22. Bini actual MRP ha 194 rupees, but I got for rupees 166. Bini set number ke milk chocolate bread gel. Wo open kanai chung. Oh, this is the HD liquid concealer. No nrao je pu bono use kinis kam brown no kahama ke set kinin nang nai. Okay, bokhe bini stick. Set hinke light color no. So that's it. Next bottom Elf's Goodness plus Swiss Love beetroot powder. So bokhe beetroot ni powder ang fo mong mayam tha ha chini kau bru kau baile. Okay, boni benefits rock magma chung nai. First is nourishes the hair follicles, prevents premature balding and hair loss, brightens skin complexion, 100% pure and natural chemical free, pesticide free, preservative free, and no animal testing. Created for all skin and hair types. Okay, nrao powder no nrao skin wo for nke knayo for use kemayo. Okay, bini net weight ro nke 50 grams. Okay, tre jang uklawo nrao break use kyak na nke avoiding kyen nrao na ye use kemayo, and bini precautions ro for check ke naidi use kya khosnis kanwo, because that's very important. Rawa bini expenditure raw riyamoke 2022-23 bo valid tongnai 2020 to 23. Price hinke 75 rupees, are for 3 packets combo woke lamba 52 rupees each wo mai ha. Hinke tre next packet otong bo for Elf's Goodness plus Swiss Love and boke aurita powder, antibacterial, antifungal, and naturally cleansing, makes hair fuller and thicker, promotes shine and curbs dirt and dandruff to leave your hair smooth, silky, and strong, and 100% organic and natural, pesticide and preservative free, created for all hair types. Okay, boni for weight 50 gram. Inke tre bini rate hinke 65 rupees, are for 2 packets combo lamba ye bona 40 rupees by ang mai ha. And next is Multani Mitti powder. Okay, kuma Multani Mitti powder chini kobru bait ma hiya abola ang pautha inke borofo nong pore namiyo kuma bini benefit hinke bini weight ke 50 gram, ni rate hinke 55 rupees, are for 2 packets la hinke nong 30 rupees by my nai. tre next tongo Elf's Goodness ni orange peel powder. Okay, bini benefit roke conditions the hair and cleanses the scalp thoroughly, filled with vitamin C which helps brighten skin, treats dull and damaged hair, 100% pure and natural, chemical free, pesticide free, preservative free and no animal testing, created for all skin and hair types. Bofon rao skin by hair Doitawan raw use kemayo bini net weight ke 50 gram bini MRP hinke 80 rupees or for ang discount mai ha 49 rupees so ke ro tre tongu bini combo pack Multani Mitti powder ke tre beetroot powder ro bini combo pack ba ke palke ke ta chong bo pa product no chong kong ke nai 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 okay bojo to product no ang bo 11 products no ang pay ma ke ha 808 rupees discounts okay offer bojo to laye bini total ong ha 808 rupees okay bo asuk no ani dinini video ani unboxing video ken rong nai thoya ke like rini ta pawdi ken rong subscribe ke khong ke subscribe ke di ke ang tre next video ro won rong no bo product ni review ro no na so till then thank you bye.